Hi children, today we will do exercise 10.3 question number 6 and 7. Okay, now move to the sixth question. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. If the measure is given like this way, one measure you take it as length and one you take it as breadth. Okay, so what is the length of the tabletop? Length of the tabletop. Length of the tabletop is equal to length of the tabletop is equal to, I am taking it as 2 meter, and the next measure I am taking it as breadth. Breadth of the tabletop is equal to, breadth of the tabletop is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now listen children, here there are 2 units are there, so convert them into same unit. That means this already in meter, so we will convert this also into meter. That means 1.50 meter. For converting centimeter to meter, we already learned you have to divide by 100. So what is the answer? You will get 1.50 meter. So we got the length and breadth in same unit. Now continue the question. What is its area in square meters? So we have to find the area. We know that tabletop, the length and breadth is different, that means it's rectangle, is it? So area of the tabletop will be, area of the tabletop is equal to, what is the formula? Length into breadth, that means 2 into 1.50. What is the answer? 2 into 1.50. When you are doing multiplication, don't take the decimal point. What is the answer? 150 into 2. What you will get? 3. That means there are 2 points in 2 places in the decimal part. So after 2 digit, from the right side, after 2 digit we put the point. So what is the answer we got here? There are 2 places in the decimal part. So from the right side, after 2 digit, first digit, second digit, then only you put the point. So what is the answer? You will get 3 meters square. So what is the area of that particular tabletop? 3 meters square. I hope this answer is clear. Now move to the next question. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. So what is given there here? Length of the room is given there. What is the length of the room? Length of the room is equal to 4 meter. Long means length. Now what is the breadth of the room? Breadth of the room is equal to, breadth of the room is equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter. Here 2 units are there, so convert them into 1 unit. That means here length is in meters, so we will convert the breadth also into meter. So how will we convert centimeter to meter? You have to divide by 100. So what will be the final answer? 3.50 meter. Okay, so we converted the length and breadth in same unit. Okay, now here the length and breadth in same unit. Now what is the question? How many square meters of carpet? How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of that room? So what we have to find out here? We have to put a carpet on that floor. So how will we find how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover that particular room or particular floor? How will we find? Can we say that carpet needed to cover the floor of the room is equal to the area of the floor? Yes, is it? We can say that if you know the area of the floor, we can say that that much of carpet is required to cover that particular floor. So what you can write here children? What you can write? Carpet needed to cover the floor of the room. Carpet needed to cover the floor of the room, same as area of the floor. Okay, area of the floor. That's equal to, how will we find the area? Length into breadth. So how will we find the area? Length into breadth. What is the length here? 4 into 3.50. We already studied that when you are doing multiplication, don't take the decimal point. So what is the answer? 350 into 4. What answer you will get? 0, 5 4s are 20, carry over 2, 12, 14. Now the answer is 1400 we got. But there is decimal number in our question. How many places are there in the decimal part here? 2 places are there. So what we have to do, children? From the right side, after 2 digit we have to put the point. That means first place, second place, then only we have to, there are 2 digits in the decimal part here. So count the number of decimal part in the question, and from the right side that much of parts you put the point. Okay, that means here 2 places are there. So from the right side after 2 digit we put the point. So what is the answer we got? 14.00 meters square, or you can write it as 14 meters square. So how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover that particular floor? 14 meters square. I hope it's clear. We have to put a carpet on a floor. That means the carpet needed to cover the floor of the room will be equal to the area of that particular floor. That's why we find out the area, and we got the answer as 14 meters square. I hope this answer is clear. That's all for today. Thank you.